napagpansin ng teen housemate si Trisha. Hapunan nang nagtangkang sumabay si Trisha sa ibang girls.
Si Jenny. From Poland to that. Excuse me.
Wait, what? Ako naliyot doon, man. Mag-CR ko. What ako ba?
Si Trisha may nabuting balikan si James.
Do you know what's going on?
Huh?
Everybody's been whatever to me.
What do you mean?
Just now, everybody was like eating their food, the three girls. Eating, tapos they came, tapos we all went laughing, tapos I said not everybody went outside. That happened like 3 times already.
I haven't seen anything like that.
Nobody wants me here.
Ilang saglit ay pumasok ang ibang boys.
Trisha, power ito. Fine, what I ate in here. What she was saying to me just now, is there something wrong? But everyone's ignoring me. She really feels like, oh my god, everyone's ignoring me. She really feels it. I think it's time to stop.
Si Trisha, minabuting kausapin si Kuya.
Kuya.
I was dancing with her, right? I felt so bad. Okay, like sometimes I have to, dance with her and continue the task. I have to like pretend to be cute, you know? Like I'm trying to get with her. And also I want to stop because I hate what she's feeling. I hate making her feel like this, dude.
Bakit po sila ganito po sa akin?
Talagang hindi mo alam ang nangyayari?
Opo, Kuya, promise po. Wala po talaga akong alam.
I mean, if we stop now, is it going to be permanent?
I think if she talks to Kuya, someone's going to talk to her and explain to her.
Opo, ayoko na po sana eh. Kahit tanong niyo po sa mami ko sa labas po talaga, hindi po talaga ako nagluluto. Pero tinatry ko po yung best ko po mapagluto po sila ng masarap.
Kasi she's listening talaga, di ba? She's not overreacting. She's not always looking for attention. You know, she's cooking without asking. You know, she's cooking alone even. Pero syempre we don't want her so defeated like this.
Palagi mo nasaan ang problema, wala kaninang problema.
Nasa akin po, pero hindi ko po talaga alam kung ano po yun.
Sasabihin ko sa'yo na ang ginagawa nila na pag-iwas sa'yo ay para tulungan ka.
Opo.
Na maging sensitibo.
Opo.
Nararamdaman ng iba at para ma-realize mo ang mga bagay na dapat mong baguhin.
Paglabas ng confession room, si Trisha mag-isang kumain sa kwarto. Sunod naman kinausap ni Kuya ang ibang teen housemates.
We feel bad, pero masaya po kami na natapos na.
Palagay niyo ay nagiging effective ba ang ginagawa niyo?
Opo.
Napapansin na po niya yung mga ignore po namin sa kanya. Lagi na po siya nagluluto para po sa amin. Para mapansin po namin po siya. I love you po. Talagang gusto po kayo.
To me, I think she's really changed a lot. I mean, for a lot better.
I agree with opinion. We feel bad because all of us, we don't want hurt Trisha's feeling. But we expect it's happening, diba?
sa inyo ang inyong ginawa. Part of growing up and having maturity is to be able to confront the truth. Ito na ang tamang pagkakataon, tamang panahon para sabihin sa kanya ang katotohanan. At ito ay ginagawa niyo lamang para mapagbuti ang inyong samahan. Ito na rin ang panahon para sabihin sa kanya kung ano ang nararamdaman niyo.
Ano kayang mangyayari sa pagharap ng teen housemate sa Trisha? Tuloy na kaya sila magkaayos at magkaroon na ng pagkakaisa sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya? Stop na muna ang class!